What's up guys, M Trains here, and here we are at Forest Road level crossing in Liss, Hampshire with M Trains. Down we go. Okay, we could be in for a double. Time now is 14:03 on Thursday the 19th of January 2017. We could be down for our 2 Papa 46 Southwest train service from Portsmouth South Sea to London Waterloo, which is just approaching, and also possibly for the 14:06 2 Papa 35 Southwest train service from London Waterloo to Portsmouth and Southsea. We've got 444030. 44030. Double stay. No, there we go, it's just coming actually now. 45121. Thanks guys, see you next video.